Hey, good morning. Today on Monday, Monday the 31st, last day of August, you're going to read chapter 5, and then you're going to carefully do the questions. I've noticed that a short answer, I'm not seeing complete sentences or restating, so you need to make sure you do that. Restating, you remember last year, just simply means when you answer, you start with part of the question. So, for example, if they would ask you, what does Brian like to do for fun? Then your answer would be, for fun, Brian likes to, and then you answer it. And it has to be in a complete sentence or you lose a point. So you want to make sure you get all your points for that. I also saw that you have not done the iStation test yet. So you need to make sure that you log in today and complete that part. I sent you a video on how to change the settings on your iPad so you'd be in the right place in JHS instead of the intermediate building. We're going to practice oceans and continents, and so I'm going to send you a link later this afternoon on you can practice that because we are taking a quiz tomorrow on oceans and continents. And then we're going to start a football geography probably. I'm not sure how much we'll get to it, but we're going to start that. So, and I will send you a link for that. So if you got any questions, be sure and email me and let me know. I know it's a little bit harder doing distance learning like this, so if you don't understand something, please don't hesitate. Just let me know. Okay? So have a good day, and remember you want to get chapter 5 read and questions done, and you want to do iStation today because you need to get caught up on that. I still don't have your big map sent unless you sent me them yesterday. I didn't see them on my email, and that's worth 22 points. And so I've started to put grades in the grade book. So anything I'm missing that I've already emailed you about, I'm putting in zeros till I get your papers. So you make sure you stay with this every day and keep caught up, okay? Okay, again, have a great day and let me know if you need any help with anything. Bye.